Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you the growth of Makelele. How to challenge Road to Growth chapter of Centurions in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest so you can get ton of rewards from this game. Let's get started by tap this Centurions event and jump into the third chapter. This is the Road to Growth, the growth of Makelele. This is the bio of Makelele at Chelsea midfield, where he became a centurion for the Blues. Makelele suffocated his opponents with his positioning, reading of the game, tireless marking, and tackles. So in the the Road to Growth chapter, same with the parallel world, you have to choose your main hero or main player. In this case, I choose Makelele, or if you need a right back, you can choose Philip Lam. But in my save game, in my profile, I choose Makelele because I need a central defensive midfielder. So all you need to do is play this daily challenge. You can growth progress. You can get growth progress until 100% or one. After you get growth points in weekend, you can get 200 growth points, and you can purchase the growth of Makelele. You can read this, use growth point to develop Makelele. Each time this is done, you will earn reward. So for example, if you purchasing growth pack 3 times, you can get 86 OVR version of Makelele or Philip Lam, and so on. 6 purchases, 9 purchases, and 12 purchases, and the final is 15 purchases. You can get 94 version of Claude Makelele. So good luck to challenge this chapter, the road to growth. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and also click the button below. Enjoy the game.